Hey everyone, it's Donna Bays here with you today from Unity Stamp Company with a quick video featuring the new Adele Girl kit designed by Angie Blom. I wanted to show you how I made some fun waves on the background of this pretty card. I used the Nuvo jewel drops in the translucent. They do dry clear, and I also wanted to add those onto the heart, so I went ahead and did that first. So you apply that and wait till it's dry, and you go ahead and start your watercoloring. I just want to put a reminder that I use the archival ink when I watercolor. It helps to keep the ink from smearing. And then I use the Zig clean color markers for coloring in the image and also the waves. And I just chose some mermaid type colors and started filling that in. And I went across all of the areas where I put the Nuvo drops, adding some teals and blue colors. I think I just used 3 for the background and then added in some green to make it stand out a little bit more for the water effect. And I just highlighted different areas, and as it was drying I went back over and darkened it in just a little bit just to make it stand out a little bit more. I like the way the Nuvo drops, when they dry, you can't really see it that well in the video, but they do kind of crack a little bit. It adds a really cool feature also. And then once that's dry, I just put it on some foam adhesive, adhered it to the back of a A2 card, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I included my supply list in the next slide, and thank you for watching.